Hello, brave viewers. How are you doing today? Dustin Poirier and Conor McGregor are hitting on social media and exchanging fires towards one another. If you are an MMA fan, then subscribe to this channel. You will get the latest MMA news here. As we all know that Conor McGregor and Dustin Poirier are going to fight for the third time with one win by Conor and one win by Dustin. And now this fight will define who is the best in the world. Poirier and Conor McGregor have a long history, having first fought with one another at UFC 178 in 2014 with a McGregor winning by first round knockout. Earlier this year, the two rematched in the main event of UFC 257, but this time things were different. Conor was engaging friendly with Poirier, but this was not beneficial for Conor as Poirier knocked out the notorious Conor McGregor in the second round. Now Conor is returned to the trash talk again. While having interview with ESPN, Poirier told, "If it is a crazy Conor again, I don't give a fuck. I really don't care, and in the last one too, if Hero has been crazy, I do have been alright mentally. I'm not a kid anymore. I am a grown man and I know what matters and I know what I can control. I just don't beat myself up mentally like I used to do. I think it's gonna be crazy Conor again, I am pretty sure." Making fun of Conor McGregor again, Dustin said, "I wouldn't say funny, but it's how crazy can you be? You got knocked out last time we put you on airplane mode in front of the whole world in Abu Dhabi. What can you say?" Conor McGregor answered Dustin Poirier in his tweet, "Best boxer? My ass, shooting ass, shelling as bitch. Quick take for you and your team, Paul. You got fucked around in the clinch, elbows, knees, shoulders, fist. Looking outside the cage for advice? He fights against me for any man is an early grave. God bless you." You have seen both fighters are hitting for this fight and we all are waiting for this fight. Tell me in the comment who you want to be a winner. Or winner doesn't matter for you. You just want a 5-round bloody fight like I want. Thanks for watching this video and support me by subscribing this channel.